Hello everyone, this is Devi, lecturer in electronics from MVNJS and RVR Degree College, Malkipuram. In this presentation, I will discuss microprocessors, paper 5A in 5th semester for BSc Electronics students. Okay, let's see the syllabus first. Microprocessors, Intel 8085. Unit 1, Architecture of 8085 microprocessors. Unit 1, Part B, Instruction set of 8085. Unit 2, Memory. Unit 3, Programming 8085. Unit 4, Interfacing Memory. Unit 5, Microprocessor Applications. Before going to Unit 1, first we have to know the basic introduction of the microprocessors. What is a microprocessor? The word comes from the combination micro and processor. Micro means tiny or a small. Processor means it is a device that processes whatever. It means it processes the numbers, either it is binary numbers 0 and 1, or it processes to perform certain operations depending upon the microprocessor design. This is about microprocessor. Now see the definition of the microprocessor. Microprocessor is a programmable device that it takes in numbers, performs some then arithmetic or logical operations according to the program stored in the memory, and then produces other numbers as a result. Now see the block diagram of the microprocessor. Now we have to understand the definition of the microprocessor. Here we see this diagram: input device, microprocessor, memory unit, output device. Actually it accepts digital data as a input device according to the instructions stored in the memory. Arithmetic and logical operations all are performed in the processor. Arithmetic and logical means addition, subtraction, OR operation, AND operation, all are done in this processor, and it all are stored in the memory and produces the output as a result. This is the function of the microprocessor. Now see the introduction of Intel 8085 microprocessor. The name we call it as Intel 8085 or 8085. It is an 8-bit microprocessor. It was introduced by Intel Corporation in 1976 to 77. Actually, it was released in 1976, but don't get confused about the year. In some textbooks or other, it was developed in 1974, but it was released in 1976 only. Actually, it is a 8-bit microprocessor. This design is based on von Neumann design. It is used by NMOS technology. NMOS means N-type metal oxide semiconductor. Intel 8085, the last number 5 indicates that 5 volt power supply. The 8085, it requires 5 volts power supply for its working. Next see, it has 8-bit data bus and 16-bit address bus. Every processor has 2 buses, that is data bus and address bus. But 8085 microprocessor supports only 8-bit data bus and 16-bit address bus, and it can work up to 3 to 5 MHz clock frequency. It has 40 pins on its chip. This is about Intel 8085 microprocessor. Now see the history or generation of the microprocessors. History of the microprocessor. First, the Intel Corporation was first introduced 4-bit microprocessor, that is name 4004 in 1971. Next 8-bit 8008 in 1972. 8-bit 8080 and 8085 in 1974 and 1976. Next 16-bit, later 32-bit, 64-bit. Next 64-bit Pentium 4 and Xeon 2005. Now see one by one. History. 4-bit microprocessors. First Intel 4004. First the microprocessor introduced in 1971 by Busicon Corp and Federico Fagin. It was the first microprocessor by Intel. It was a 4-bit microprocessor and its clock speed was 740 kHz, and it had 2300 transistors dipped internally on the chip. but it could execute around 60,000 instructions per second. This is 4004 processor. Next 8-bit microprocessor, Intel 8080. It was introduced in 1974. It was 8-bit microprocessor. Its clock speed was 2 MHz. It had 6000 transistors. It was 10 times faster than 8008. It could execute 5 lakhs instructions per second. This is 8080 microprocessor. Next 8085. It was introduced in 1976. It was 8-bit microprocessor. Its clock speed was 3 MHz. It had 6500 transistors. It could execute 7,69,230 instructions per second. It could access 64 kilobytes of memory. It had 246 instructions. This is 8085 microprocessor. Next 16-bit microprocessors. Intel 8086. Introduced in 1978. It was the first 16-bit microprocessor. Its clock speed is 4.77 MHz and it was available in 8 MHz, 10 MHz depending upon the version. And it had 29,000 transistors. It could execute 2.5 million instructions per second. It could access 1 megabyte of memory and it had 22,000 instructions. It had also multiply and divide instructions. This is 8086 microprocessor. Next 8088. Next 80186 and 80188. See the pin design. See the difference. Next Intel 80286. Later 32-bit microprocessors. Intel 80386. This was the first 32-bit microprocessor. It could address 4 GB of memory. This is Intel 80386 microprocessor. Next Intel 80486. Next Intel Pentium 1. It was introduced in 1993. It was also 32-bit microprocessor. It was originally named 80586. 80586 are Intel Pentium we call. And its clock speed was 66 MHz and it could address 4 GB of memory and it could execute 110 million instructions per second. Next Intel Pentium 2. Pentium Pro. Pentium 2. Pentium 2 Xeon. Pentium 3. Pentium 4. Intel Dual Core. Later 64-bit microprocessors. Now we are using 64-bit microprocessors. Introduced in 2006. It is a 64-bit microprocessor. Its clock speed is from 1.2 GHz to 3 GHz. It had 291 million transistors. It was launched in 3 different versions: Intel Core Duo, Intel Core 2 Quad, Intel Core 2 Extreme. This is the processor Intel Core 2. Next i7. Next i5. Next i3. Introduced in 2010. It had 2 physical cores. Its clock speed is from 2.93 GHz to 3.33 GHz. This is Intel i3. See one by one briefly. Okay, thank you.